I invite everyone to please stand up and be on your feet because we will be welcoming. Once a baby now has transformed into one gorgeous lady.
Pokchumoni. Okay, I got that correct? Okay.
And it's a traditional Korean pouch.
We go north, all the way from Bulacan. Where are you, Bulaqueños? Hi guys, magandang gabi.
We have first, for the male category, congratulations, you are our star of the night, Gabriela Gabon.
Ladies and gentlemen, your dinner is...
Ano na lang po, rescheduled ma'am yung dinner. Bukas na lang po, same time, same place.
Another round of applause para sa Fresco family right here. Thank you very much. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, again, ako po si Jam Ocampo saying good night and enjoy the rest of this beautiful Saturday evening. Good night!